Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. As always, it's Miss Bella again, and today we are going to continue with Module 2 days. Let's get started. Grammar. Present simple is used when you want to talk about something that is happening, sesuatu yang sedang berlaku, and then something that is repeating, berulang-ulang, and then the last one, normally use this for a fact, fakta, something that doesn't change, right? So in this case, we are going to focus on two types of present simple. Ada dua jenis yang kita nak fokus hari ini. The first one is affirmative and the second one is negative. What is affirmative? What is negative? Affirmative present simple is used to confirm situations that regularly, repeatedly or always occur. Maksudnya kita gunakan dia bila nak mengesahkan situasi yang sentiasa berulang, sentiasa berlaku. So when you talk about something that happens repeatedly as a habit, for example, you can use affirmative present simple. Okay. Examples for affirmative sentences. Okay, what is the form that you have to follow? It's very easy. For affirmative sentence, you need a subject, mesti ada subject, and then you need the verb. Pas subject, perlukan kata kerja. Then you continue a sentence as usual, sambung dengan pelengkap ayat, or we call this object previously, SVO, subject, verb, object. Okay, example number 1, contoh yang pertama. Okay, I'm going to choose the subject myself, I. Okay, so I, verb that I want to use is jogging. Okay, so I jog, verb. Okay, I special. Kalau special kita anggap dia kuat. So kalau dia dah kuat, verb dia lemah, tak perlu S. So I jog, di mana lengkapkan di taman contohnya. I jog at the park. Okay, complete sentence, mengesahkan saya bersenam jogging dekat taman. Okay, contoh yang kedua, second example. My cat. Okay, this time I want to use a singular. My cat lemah, seekor saja, tak ada S kat belakang T ni, kat belakang cat ni tak ada S. That means the cat is only one, ada satu saja cat. So my cat drinks, minum. Okay, ayat ni ayat yang benar, mengesahkan. My cat drinks, ada S sebab cat lemah, verb dia mesti kuat. Mineral water, kucing saya minum air mineral. Okay, so my cat drinks mineral water. Okay, this is a complete sentence. My cat drinks mineral water. Let's talk about the rules of adding S. Kita bercakap tentang peraturan syarat untuk tambah S ni. Before this, we know that if the subject is singular, the verb is singular, kuat, lemah, and then kalau nak letak S tu kita kena check subject kan. Okay, so kalau subject dia lemah, verb dia mesti kuat, kena ada S. Macam mana kita nak tambah? Can we add S to all verb? Boleh tak tambah S dekat semua verb? The answer is no. Cannot. Tak boleh tambah S dekat semua verb. Kena ada syarat dia. Dia ada beberapa syarat. Okay, let's look at the rules one by one. Okay, rule number 1 untuk syarat yang pertama. Tambah S, we add S to most verbs. Kebanyakan kata kerja kita tambah S. Okay, S sahaja kebanyakan, but not all. Okay, rule number 2, we add ES. Kali ini kita tambah E dan S pula kat belakang verb itu. Apa syarat dia? The rule is the verb must end, mestilah berakhir, kata kerja itu mesti berakhir dengan O ataupun or, SH, or CH, or X. Okay? For example, sebagai contohnya, for example, the word teach. Okay, kata kerja teach, mengajar. Ni contoh teach. Teach ends with the letters CH, berakhir dengan CH. Salah satu daripada syarat untuk rule yang kedua ni kan, ada CH. Kalau ada CH, dia punya S dekat belakang tu tak boleh tambah S saja. You must put ES. So, teaches. Okay. This is one of the word that ends with a CH. Right, rule number 3, syarat yang ketiga. Okay, rule number 3. We add IES. This time ada I pula. Bila nak tambah I ni, IES, the rule is you minus Y and add IES when a verb ends with a consonant Y. Okay, so ini bila verb itu berakhir dengan consonant Y, baru you tambah IES. Tapi bukan tambah saja, you mesti minus. Potong Y ni, lepas tu tambah IES. Sebagai contoh, I give you one example. Okay, the verb carry as example. Carry, membawa. It ends with a consonant Y. Berakhir dengan huruf consonant Y here. So what you have to do is you have to minus, mesti potong Y. Okay, and then gantikan dia dengan IES. So your verb will be like this. Don't put Y, put IES. Okay, like that. Okay, the last one, rule yang terakhir. Okay, the third person of have is has. Maksudnya third person ni adalah kata ganti nama diri untuk orang ketiga. Antaranya adalah he, she, it, dia, ia, things like that. Okay, he, she, it. Okay, the third person of have is has. Maksudnya kalau perlu guna have, ada, jangan guna have lah, guna has. Okay, because it's singular, untuk singular. Okay, so kalau kita nak check balik he, she, it ni kuat ke lemah? It's lemah, right? Dia lemah. So verb dia mesti ada S. So jadilah has. Okay. Negative present simple is where the verb denies something about the subject. Kata kerja dalam ayat negatif ni menidakkan sesuatu yang berkaitan dengan subjek dalam ayat kita. Okay, you have to use the form. Bentuknya seperti yang tertera di bawah ini. You must have subject and then you must have do or does. Salah satu depends on the subject. And then you put the word not. And then you put your verb. For example, contohnya saya menidakkan, saya tak bangun pukul 10 pagi. So the subject is I. The do or does, choose one. So for I, we use do. I do not bangun, wake up at 10 a.m. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you examples for negative form. Negative form. Sorry. Alright, let me get my pen. Negative form. It's exactly the same actually. It's just that you need to add one word. Okay, you need to have subject. Just like the affirmative form, seperti affirmative tadi, kena ada subject, and then after subject you must put does or do, ataupun do. Macam mana nak pilih? You must look at the subject. Kena refer kepada subject semula lah. Okay, kalau subject kuat ke lemah ke, macam tu. And then you put the word not. Okay, this will make it negative. If you don't have this word, then your sentence is not going to be negative. Alright, and then after this, you put your verb. Okay, put your verb and then you continue your sentence. Kemudian teruskan ayat. Biasanya kita teruskan ni, kita panggil dia object dekat belakang. Just like we learned before. Subject, verb, object. Alright. So I give you two examples. Contoh yang pertama, subject, I'm going to use Karim. Okay, Karim is the subject. We're talking about Karim now. Karim tak suka makan KFC. Alright. Karim, and then you choose antara does dengan do. Karim ni singular, it's lemah. Kalau Karim lemah, verb dia mesti kuat. Kuat ada S. So Karim does. And then don't forget to put not, does not, and then here you need to put a verb. Bergantung kepada ayat yang kamu nak buat lah. It's depending on your sentence, what you want to say. Awak nak cerita apa? Okay, I nak cerita Karim tidak suka KFC. Okay, Karim does not like KFC. Okay, in this example, I use Karim does not like KFC. Why? I don't know. I think almost everybody likes KFC. Okay. In some cases, sometimes when you talk especially, you use the contraction doesn't, right? Maksud dia sama. Of course, maksud dia sama. Cuma kamu singkatkan does not kepada doesn't. So, Karim doesn't. And then you put your sentence as usual. Karim like KFC. Karim doesn't like KFC. Alright. Example, contoh yang kedua. Let's use a plural subject. Kita guna plural pula. This time, let's use a pronoun, kata ganti nama. Okay, kalau Karim ni kita sebut nama, kata ganti nama he. The personal pronoun for Karim is he. So I want to use we, kami. We, kalau we kuat lebih daripada seorang, so verb dia mesti lemah, tiada S, so we do or does. Of course, the answer is do. We do, and then you put not. We do not. Okay, this time kami tidak makan sayur. Okay, kami tidak makan sayur. So makan, verb dia eat. We do not eat, what is sayur? Vegetables. Very good. I hope you know. You should know vegetables. Okay, so if you want to contract, nak singkatkan, so boleh guna don't. So we don't apostrophe T, we don't eat vegetable. We don't eat vegetables. Okay. Okay, class. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.